Hi everyone, Christina here. Welcome to another card video. Thanks for joining me today. In this video, I'm going to be creating a personalized birthday card for my sister. And I'm going to be using these really beautiful pattern papers from Craft Consortium. I don't know that they're available anymore, but you could definitely recreate this kind of watercolor background on your own if you wanted to. I've also die cut a circle out of some glitter cardstock, and I'm using the Birthday Wishes for Everyone die set from Spellbinders. So the first thing I'm going to do is die cut the numbers for my personalized birthday card using the silver foil out of this matte stack from Die Cut with a View. And I just cut out the number 4 twice. Hope my sister doesn't mind, but she's turning 44. So I'm going to be having the 44 be the prominent focal point on the front of my card. And in order to do that, I have my glitter circle that's cut out of some Aurora glitter cardstock from Simon. I don't know that they sell that anymore either. But now I'm using this scallop circle frame set from Lawn Fawn, and I used that just to cut out a white scallop circle that I could place on top. So it almost looks like a little medallion, kind of like something for like a prize ribbon, and I'm going to put the 44 on top. So I got the idea for this card as a full card shaker area from Sherry Carroll. She had a video that she shared on the Simus of Stamp YouTube channel recently, and I thought it was such a fun way to make a full card shaker. So what she did was she just used some stamp packaging, some plastic, cut it to be a little larger than her background piece, and I've cut that pattern paper to be, I think it's 4.5 by 4.5. And I'm placing it down upside down on top of that clear plastic sheet. And I'm going to hold it in place just with a little bit of tape, some temporary tape. I cut the corners. This is going to make it easier to wrap that plastic around my pattern paper. So I just cut off those corners. And then I'm going to be using a tape adhesive. Now I'm going to be using some score tape. You could use red line tape, whatever is handy for you. And I'm putting that right on the edge of the pattern paper. And then I can peel off the backing on the back of the score tape. And then I can just wrap that plastic around the edge of the paper. Super easy to do this, and you're going to be amazed how easy the shaker comes together. So I peeled off that release paper. I'm going to pick this up just so I can get to that flap a little bit easier. And then just wrap that around and press it down so it's nice and flat. So I did the same thing for the other side that is not taped down. And I'll just wrap that over. So the reason we taped the plastic to the paper before I started adhering it is just to keep it in place. So I'm going to remove that the tape now that I have those two sides adhered down, and then I just repeated it for just one side. We're going to keep one open so it creates a pocket to put all of our sequins in. So I'll fold that plastic over, and now we have a really cool pocket that is going to create our shaker. So I've picked out a sequin mix from Little Things by Lucy's Cards, and this is the Aurora Borealis mix. So I'm putting in quite a bit. You don't want to put in too much because then it will be too tight and it won't shake at all. So I just have a few, and then I can turn this over and put that last strip of score tape right along the edge there. Or actually, this is Express-It tape, not score tape, but it's a very similar product. I'm going to cut off that edge right there that was hanging over. And then I can peel up the release paper and fold over that plastic or the little clear cello sheet. I'm not sure what to call it. It's from the packaging of a stamp set. Okay, so now I have an edge-to-edge shaker. And I'm actually going to be placing this on a 5x5 card. I want it to be just a little bigger than that. So I put foam adhesive on the back, and this is going to hold it down to that card. It also has a little bit of give just in case adding all those sequins inside kind of bulks it up a little bit. So I'll place that down onto my prepared card base made out of some Classic Crest Solar White cardstock from Neenah. And all I have to do is put together my medallion that has the numbers on it. So I put some foam adhesive on the back of the numbers, and I very lightly place them down so that I can still peel them up and move them to get to the right position. So I'm going to stagger the numbers so they fit on there a little better, and then put foam tape on the back and put that directly in the center of my square card. And that's going to allow the sequins to kind of move around and shake around that center area. You can see how they still move around. They do collect in the corners, but I think it looks really cool. So then I took the sentiment set. This is Reverse All Things Happy sentiment strips from Simon. And I'm going to cut out just the word happy. So I cut out the word happy and put some foam on it and adhered it right over that first number 4. And that finishes the card for today. Hope you guys enjoy this very simple, full edge-to-edge shaker card. I really loved that idea from my friend Sherry Carroll when she shared it, and I just had to try it out myself. Thanks so much for joining me today. I will be back on Wednesday with another card video. I hope you'll come back and join me. And in case you didn't hear it last week, there will not be a live stream this Friday. I have a pre-recorded video to share with you, and I hope you'll check that out as well. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you guys in another video very soon.